Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the workbook and confirming the essentials, consistent data types, and no stray blanks. Convert the range to a table so formulas and filters auto-expand. This makes analysis stable. Once done, remove obvious duplicates or stray headers inside the table because they will skew totals and pivots. Make sure to save a copy or enable autosave so you can experiment without risk. By preparing this way, you speed every next step and avoid frustrating, hidden errors. Next, you apply filters to isolate subsets and confirm patterns. Use the search box in filters when columns are long. Then insert a pivot table to summarize by categories. Drag rows, columns, values, and add filters for interactivity. Use sumifs, average-ifs, and countifs for precise conditional aggregates when pivot flexibility isn't enough. Once you set those formulas, lock references, or use structured table names so results update reliably. Make sure to refresh pivots after source edits to keep numbers accurate. To finish, create charts directly from your pivot table or table to reveal trends. Choose clustered bars, line, or a combo to compare measures. Add slicers and timelines so you can interactively filter and test scenarios. This helps stakeholders explore data. Then validate results with conditional formatting and a few manual spot checks to confirm totals and outliers. If numbers don't match, check for hidden rows, mistyped criteria, or inconsistent data types. Correct those and refresh pivots and charts to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.